Hey guys, it's Fossilization here. Welcome back to another video, and today I will be trading away my green party hat to Horse Cray Cray 10 for 40 Den Betas and a yellow long. Excuse me if my breathing's a little bad. I'm having a little problem with my asthma. So sorry about that. Yeah, no, she wouldn't scam. She's pretty good. I'm just recording for another video. I'm not like recording because I think she's gonna scam. I just recorded because I want to get some more videos on. See, I can't even talk, so yeah, I'm a poor bean, as you can see. My necklace, so I only have 12 gems left. Ooh, spicy. Ugh, okay, so the other recording totally failed. I did this recording, I think this is the second time I'm recording because the first time was crazy. So, and I was having difficulty with the recorder, so you know that's a thing. And yes, I will be saving up for another giveaway soon. I know I keep saying that, but I'm really excited to give something away to you guys. I really do love doing giveaways because it makes me happy to see you guys getting things from me and things that maybe you couldn't afford, probably can't afford, but you know, it's nice to get one for free once in a while. I'm probably gonna have some music playing in the background so it's not just me boringly trying to figure out what to say. I'm being brutally honest right now. But thank you guys for tuning in, it means a lot. And I've been doing a lot of trading videos lately. So far these are the Den Betas. That's so many Den Betas, oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Back. Ooh, welcome back. It's 20. Oof. Alright, so she needs to give one more Den Beta. One more Den Beta. One more Den Beta from Horse. Still can't breathe. I'm just waiting on that one Den Beta. Whoop. Thank you for sending it. Yay! Thank you! Say bye. Say bye, y'all. Very special thanks to Horse Cray Cray for that trade. And if any of you guys in the comments down below have Den Betas and want a yellow long or anything, please let me know because I am collecting right now. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!